Sinishare niyo po ba ang love
Pati
life?
love life, pati love life, actually.
So pwede din pala siyang love guru din
Love
pala.
guru.
She's very different doon sa, I guess, pinoproject sa kanya sa social media.
Diba? Yeah.
Siguro dalawang bagay on the professional aspect. Very decisive yung
Yes.
ating Vice Presidente. No? Alam niya kung anong gusto niyang gawin para sa bansa. Alam niya kung anong gusto niyang
Chief
gawin
of
sa
the old
trabaho
block
niya.
talaga.
Oo.
Visionary.
And when she decides, yun na yun.
Yun na yun.
Very decisive. And you need that in a leader.
Yes.
Yeah, oo.
On the personal level, ano siya, very simple person.
And makulit din po. May mga ganun siyang
Makulit,
side.
no? Yeah, makulit.
Well,
Very
you would
simple
know. You would know,
person.
Ina.
And I think it's really more of, makikita mo siya bilang kung gaano siya kabuting tao, bilang
Sobra.
kaibigan at bilang isang ina.
Nabanggit kanina ni Michael. I'll just call you Michael.
Opo, opo.
Oo. Na yung defense team, na pag-usapan natin. So there are 19 ba na defense lawyers?
16.
16.
16,
oo.
yan, sa ganyan.
Plus ikaw, kasama ka naman sa 16.
Opo, kasama na po.
Oo. Alam naman natin na, well, I speak only for myself. May mga mababait na mga abogado that lawyers have some of the biggest egos in the country.
It's true.
So, how are the dynamics, if you don't mind, in general terms? Paano kung may disagreement with respect to strategy, legal interpretation, etc.? Paano nyo nare-resolve? 16 lawyers kayo.
Natural naman po yan. As you say, di ba, you have 10 lawyers in the room, you have 12, 15 opinions.
Oo.
But
Sinabi
I
mo.
think what works is we're working with a law firm. No? Well, may sarili akong firm, but ako lang naman talaga yung main na nasa impeachment. And then we're working with Fortuna, Narvasan, Salazar. No?
Yes, oo.
So since may law firm ka, medyo it's different from putting 16 individuals together. Sa isang law firm, meron ng reporting lines dyan. May hierarchy na, kumbaga. So we just work within the Fortuna Narvasa system. Siyempre, si Sheila Season, who will be our lead counsel, really, is a partner in FNS. So siya talaga yung, kumbaga, lahat kami may opinion, but at the end of the day, lahat din kami, kung anong sabihin ng lead firm, no? Talagang we will just have to set aside the ego and just abide by kung anong direction ng team. But more importantly, I think everyone is passionate naman sa team to really just parang itabi muna natin yung mga ego natin. Ang
Yes.
kailangan natin dito is madepensahan ng vice-presidente. So, it's easier said than done, but it's easier in our case. Kasi nga, we're working with a law firm na meron ng, kumbaga, hindi ka na maghahanap sino magsusulat nito, sino magre-research nito. Meron na. And then it just comes up to us
Systematic.
for
May
review.
follow-up lang ako before we go to Ina's question. Nabanggit mo na yung Fortune Narvasa. I hope you don't mind this question. Wala bang awkwardness considering that Sig Fortune is the brother-in-law of the Remulias?
To be honest, wala. Because si Attorney Sig, before the defense team was formed, alam naman natin na yung background niya. And I believe in Attorney Sig. I sat down with Attorney Sig early on. And very professional yung tao. No? So siya naman talaga, alam naman natin mga abogado, hindi naman maiwasan yung conflict. Minsan may kamag-anak ka na ganito.
Yes.
No? But very professional naman siya. And I've seen how he's fought for his clients. And I'm confident that, and I've seen it actually, that he's doing the same for the Vice President.
Okay. Ina,
Yes po. Ito po, attorney, curious lang po kami. Bilang legal counsel po ni VP Sara Duterte, ano pong isang bagay na gusto po ninyong malaman ng publiko tungkol sa kanya?
She's very different doon sa, I guess, pinoproject sa kanya sa social media.
Diba? Yeah.
Siguro dalawang bagay on the professional aspect. Very decisive yung
Yes.
ating Vice Presidente. No? Alam niya kung anong gusto niyang gawin para sa bansa. Alam niya kung anong gusto niyang
Chief
gawin
of
sa
the old
trabaho
block
niya.
talaga.
Oo.
Visionary.
And when she decides, yun na yun.
Yun na yun.
Very decisive. And you need that in a leader.
Yes.
Yeah, oo.
On the personal level, ano siya, very simple person.
And makulit din po. May mga ganun siyang
Makulit,
side.
no? Yeah, makulit.
Well,
Very
you would
simple
know. You would know,
person.
Ina.
And I think it's really more of, makikita mo siya bilang kung gaano siya kabuting tao, bilang
Sobra.
kaibigan at bilang isang ina. Yun talagang...
Tulad nung ginawa po niya kay Attorney Zulaika Lopez, talagang hindi niya iniwanan.
Ay, oo,
ganun
grabe
talaga.
yun.
Grabe
Bilib ako
yun.
ron.
Doon ako
Nakipag-away pa siya.
namangha
Oo.
talaga sa
She
kanya.
really values the people who work with her.
Yes, tama.
And kaya kumbaga, hindi ka magdadalawang isip na to stick with her all throughout dahil nakita mo talaga yung sincerity niya sa tao.
Speaking of VP Sara, nandiyan na rin tayo sa topic na yan. Without going to any privileged information, is there any particular conversation na pwede mo i-share sa amin na that has stuck to your mind na tumatak sa iyong isipan with respect to VP Sara?
It's more of the private conversations that we have. Yung
without revealing anything to you.
more on the personal level siguro. Yun yung masasabi ko. Kasi nga, ang parat kong sinasabi is, iba siya eh. Doon sa mga pinoportray sa kanya sa SOCMED or sa TV, yung pag may problema ka, she will really listen. So, pag nagsasabi ako ng problema kong personal, she will really listen, give me advice, and help me accept things the way they are now.
Pati ba love life?
Sinishare niyo po ba ang
Nasishare
love
naman.
life?
Pati love life, actually.
So pwede din pala siyang
Tama.
love guru din pala.
Love guru.
Love life.
I agree sa sinabi po ni Attorney Powa. She's really a good listener. Naalala ko nung nag-lunch po tayo, Attorney. Talagang nakikinig siya sa'yo.
Yes.
Yung
Oo.
Salmo 109. Talagang nakatingin si VP Sara sa kanya. Nakikinig po talaga siya.
She's talking about yung lunch nung after nung araw ng
araw ng
Davao.
Davao.
Yes.
No, but she is. Singit ko lang siguro to. She is.
Opo.
And nung nasa DepEd nga kami, ang gusto niyang gawin is really to go down to the school level para kausapin yung mga teachers kung ano talaga yung problema nila. Kasi nga, may ang laki ng DepEd na sometimes yung genuine concerns hindi na umaabot sa central office.
Yeah.
So, yun yung talagang ginagawa niya nung nasa DepEd kami.
Yes.
Well, anyway, may question kami, medyo personal.
Okay lang.
Sabi mo naman may loved one ka. No?
Oo.
Anong mas masakit para sa'yo? Matalo sa korte o matalo sa argumento with your loved one?
Attorney Ferdy, I think we'll both agree. Siyempre, matalo sa argumento with your loved one. Bakit? Kasi sa loved one, wala ka ng motion for reconsideration, final and executory
Wala
ka
pa.
agad.
Ayun. Tama naman.
Do you agree na?
Hindi ako makarelate, Attorney. Wala kasi akong boyfriend.
Ganun ba? Ayan na. In-announce mo pa talaga, no? Ayan. Naku, lagot ka.
News of global significance.
Naku, in-announce mo. Maraming magme-message sa'yo.
Naku.
Lagot ka ngayon. Naku ka.
Sorry na.